Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to clear cookies on Firefox browser. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Mozilla Firefox browser from any other browser that you have, because you do not get this browser from Windows. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the middle you have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you of course want on Mozilla Firefox. In the top right corner we have this menu where you can have settings and all of those things. Here you have your tabs and everything. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and clear cookies on Firefox browser. So first of all, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select settings. So these lines that I told you, and click on settings. Then in the left sidebar, click on the privacy and security. As you can see, the fourth tab here is privacy and security. Then scroll down to the cookies and site data section, as you can see here. And here you just need to click on clear data. So this is the first button here, click clear data. Ensure that the chat box next to cookies and site data is selected, then click clear. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click clear now to delete the cookies. This will remove all cookies sorted by Firefox, helping improve performance and resolve some browsing issues. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.